Hey now, what's happening, YouTube? It's another beautiful, beautiful day at camp. Not a cloud in the sky. It's boating day. Look at the frickin' pollen. Isn't that unbelievable? It's alright. Another couple weeks it'll be gone. But it's boating day. Go Green Bay, as Julie would say. Yeah. If we want.
Michelle called me. She wants to talk about Fairpoint.
Oh, Julie's coming. Oh no. The water temperature is a whopping 68 degrees, Julie. We're in 3 feet 1 inch of water. We'll see you out on the lake, guys. Oh, he already got it. I didn't see it.
The head's still there.
Did he eat a butt first?
Yeah, that's what he did with both of them. Oh, there goes it all. It's all gone.
It's all gone, man. I missed it.
The chase was on. Yeah, he started. You got a picture of him chasing it.
It is fire time with KB1.
Heart to heart?
We're drinking, what is it?
Nope.
Fireball. But I'm wondering what the song is. Hungry Heart. Yep.
You're right.
You gotta go see my daughter play some.
I've seen your daughter play.
I know, but outside of here, though. You know, she played the other night at Manly Blues in Waterville. Awesome.
That's a cool shot.
Got you in
my soul.
my sides, Jimmy Benedict,
I got
with these hungry thighs. Hungry thighs.
Eric Carmen.
Eric Cartman from the...
Carmen.
Oh, I thought you said Cartman from...
So it would look cooler without your phone.
I don't know if I got it. No, it doesn't even look that...
Did you say red?
it didn't look like that prop was moving at all.
Now that plane, I don't know if I'd be comfortable on that. Yeah. I don't think I'd like that. Who's your buddy?
We're at the Augusta Airport 70th reunion. Oh no, 70-year event. The object of the game is to get the bag in the hole, but she's still working on it. Oh, Rick, we're going to take you down.
You're going down.
Rick, you're done. You are done, Rick.
Actually, he's playing way off too.
I know.
I am currently winning the whole damn tournament.
Are you really?
As usual. Of course. This is the
you lying?
interwebs, we can lie. And I'm going to be bringing home the money.
What is happening over there?
Somebody just died over there. I'll be right back.